Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic version of a bee's knees, which is on our new current cocktail masterclass menu. For this we teamed up with nobody else but the powerhouse that is Seedlip, and we're using their Garden 108. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you like it. See you soon.
Alright guys, it's Kay. Today I'm going to be showing you a really delicious non-alcoholic version of the bee's knees from our new cocktail class menu. And the first thing going in there is going to be some of this Seedlip Garden 108, and we want about 40 mils of our Seedlip. Next thing we need is some honey syrup. This is what's going to make this a bee's knees, and we want about 20 mils of our honey syrup. And we want about a shot or 25 mils of our lemon juice. And we only want about 10 mils of our orange juice. I'm just going to fill that up with cubed ice, pop the lid on, give it a good old smack, and we'll shake that for around about 10 seconds. Here we go. Fantastic. So I'll pop that open, and we're just going to strain this straight into our nice chilled glass. There we go. And then for a garnish, just got some nice little lemon twists. Just grab one of those, give it a twist over the top, let some of them oils come out, and we'll just give it a little rub around the edge and pop it on there. And that's our alcohol-free bee's knees ready to drink.